Hey guys, today I will teach you how to fix business accounts cannot be private problem in Instagram, as you can see on the screen. So let's start. First, click on your profile photo in the bottom left. Click on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner. Here, click Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and find the option Business Tools and Controls. Again, scroll down and find the option Switch Account Type. Now, click on the first option, Switch to Personal Account. Wait for a while. Now, again go to Account Privacy and select Private Account. Click OK and your problem will be fixed. Don't leave the video, I'll show you proof that my account has been private. As you can see, my account has been private. Thanks for watching, please subscribe.